Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into what happens when two of the most disruptive technologies we know, artificial intelligence and blockchain, collide. And let me tell you, this isn't just about mashing tech together. This could fundamentally change how our entire digital world operates.
Just think about it for a second. Right now, almost all the powerful AI we hear about is built behind closed doors, right? Their data's private, their decision-making, it's a total black box. But what if we could change that? What if we could build AI out in the open?
Well, the answer, as it turns out, just might be found in a pretty radical new partnership. So let's get into it. The big idea here is something called decentralized intelligence. And this isn't just some abstract theory. No, this is about fundamentally rewiring our systems to be smarter, safer, and, you guessed it, way more transparent.
So, what is it exactly? Well, you can think of it as a fusion. You take the incredible number-crunching power of AI and you merge it with the secure, transparent, and user-controlled backbone that blockchain gives you. The goal here isn't just to make AI smarter, it's to build AI that is fundamentally fair and open from the ground up.
But why these two? I mean, why this specific partnership? It's because, and this is the cool part, AI and blockchain have this surprisingly symbiotic relationship. Each one basically solves the other's biggest problem.
Okay, here's how it works. You know that black box problem with AI, right? We can't always trust its data, and we definitely can't see how it's making decisions. Well, blockchain provides the perfect antidote. It's an immutable, auditable ledger that no single company owns. It brings verifiable, undeniable trust to the AI's entire decision-making process.
And the result is a completely new paradigm. Instead of data being locked up in corporate vaults, it's shared securely, giving us, the users, actual ownership. But here's the really revolutionary part, breaking up the monopoly. By using crypto tokens for rewards, these systems can pay anyone, anywhere in the world to help build powerful AI. Suddenly, development isn't just for the tech giants anymore.
And make no mistake, this isn't just some fun thought experiment for crypto nerds. This combo is already making a huge impact across some pretty major industries.
So where is all this actually happening right now? Well, the biggest waves are being made in fields that absolutely live and die by data. We're talking finance, where trust is non-negotiable. Large enterprises that are desperate for a competitive edge. And of course, inside crypto itself, where a whole new generation of decentralized apps are being built.
Let's make it real. In finance, you've got traders building AI that can predict market sentiment using completely transparent on-chain data. That was impossible just a few years ago. Or get this, imagine rival companies securely pooling their data to build a shared recommendation engine that helps all of them without anyone ever seeing the other's private customer info. That's happening. And in the crypto world, we are seeing the birth of autonomous AI agents, actual programs that live on the blockchain and can manage assets or logistics all on their own.
All right, to really see how all this plumbing fits together, let's zoom in on a real-world example. There's a platform out there called Pond, and it's one of the real pioneers in this space.
So Pond is basically a marketplace where anyone can come and build AI models or use models that others have built. But the real magic is what it's built on. Something called the OG network. Now, the easiest way to think about this is the OG network is like a massive, super secure public library for data, and Pond is the workshop inside that library where anyone can check out that data and build incredible things with it.
And this is the secret sauce. This is what makes it so powerful. Developers get raw, direct access to the actual lifeblood of the digital economy. Real-time transaction data from major blockchains, super granular order books from DeFi platforms, even on-chain gaming data to model how players behave. This isn't just random data. It's the high-octane fuel you need to create AI that can understand and operate in the digital world like never before.
And just in case you think this is all some far-off, futuristic dream, it's not. Right now, as we speak, there's a competition running on Pond that was launched by none other than Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin. And his challenge to the world? Build an AI that can audit the entire Ethereum codebase for bugs and vulnerabilities. That's how real and how high stakes this stuff has already gotten.
So you might be wondering, okay, that's cool, but how does an actual developer go from just a good idea to working, monetized AI on a platform like this? Well, the whole process is designed to be open for everybody.
And the way it works is actually kind of brilliant. It all starts with an idea. Anyone can publish a proposal for a new AI model. Then, that idea gets tokenized, which lets a global community of people invest in the ideas they think are winners. After that, it's a competition. Developers from all over compete to build the best model. The winning model gets launched, and the creators, but the person with the original idea and the developer who built it, earn rewards every time it's used. It's this beautiful, complete cycle from a community idea all the way to a shared profit. So, let's zoom out one last time and just look at the big picture. What does all of this really mean for the future of tech? At the end of the day, this fusion of AI and blockchain is so much more than just a tech trend. It's really signaling the beginning of a new era. We're looking at a future where our technology isn't just smarter, but it's also fairer, it's more inclusive, and it's more resilient. All because it's being built on a foundation of shared trust instead of centralized control. Which leaves us with one last, really fascinating question to think about. When intelligence itself is decentralized, when it's open and accessible to everybody, who gets to build the future? The answer is everyone. Thanks for watching The Explainer.